Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix a website not allowed in iPhone. So whether you're opening the google.com in web browser or whether you're opening youtube.com or any other website via the web browser on iPhone and you're getting this error, website not allowed, it is a restricted website. So if you're getting this error in the web browser on iPhone, then here follow the steps very carefully. So the steps to fix website not allowed on iPhone. First step is to open settings, then tap on screen time. So open settings, and here you will see the screen time option. Tap on it, then scroll down and then tap on content and privacy restrictions. So scroll down and then click on content and privacy restrictions. Then tap on App Store, Media, Web and Games. So here you will see this option, App Store, Media, Web and Games. Tap on it. And in step 4, tap on web content. So tap on web content, and step 5, finally here tick mark the unrestricted option. So this is the first option, just tick mark the unrestricted option and that's it. And then you can open google.com or youtube.com via the browser on iPhone and it will open. You will not get this error. So this is how you can fix a website not allowed error in iPhone. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.